Okay, so I wanted to do a quick training on sending packages through PayPal, through a PayPal business account. So before I do anything, I want to show you how to switch to a business account. Go into, this is just regular PayPal. I have mine already set up as a business account, but yours would look this way too. What you're going to do is click on this little wheel thing here, and it's going to bring you to this page. And then you're going to type in how to switch to business, and let that take you to this page. And then you click on set up my business account, business setup here. It's going to take you through all the things that you need to do to switch to a business account. So there's a payment setup if you want that. You don't have to have it. And there's an account setup. And as you can see, I've already done all that. So once you're in as a business account, if you see up here in Tools, you go to Multi-Order Shipping. This is how you can ship things at a discounted rate. If you bring this, like, say, a package of 4 ounces, you bring that to the post office, and they're going to charge you around 3 and change for that package. With PayPal multi-order shipping, it's like $2.70 something. So it's about $1 savings. And then as they go over 4 ounces, you're going to have to pay more. You don't need to do this when you're sending sets and things, but like if you have multiple, like 5 or 10 sets, you're going to want to ship it this way in a bubble mailer. So what you do is you do create shipment over here. And then none of this stuff really applies. We don't have order numbers and all that stuff unless you want to create some system, but I don't do that. This address is always in here because that's my address. So I just come down here and say I'm sending it to myself. Why not? Just using myself as an example. 07438. You're going to put who you're shipping it to, obviously, and then you're going to hit continue. And that's going to bring you to this screen. Always going to change this to first class mail, 2 to 5 business days. So the next thing you're going to do is always, when you're doing a bubble mailer envelope, you're going to do package thick envelope. You're going to weigh it. You have to get yourself a little scale to weigh things. You're going to weigh it, and in this case, I'm going to do 4 ounces. It always goes by ounces. None of this other stuff needs to be touched. Create shipment. Done. And then I'm not going to do it because you can see right here, $2.66. That's all I'm paying for a 4-ounce package. That is pretty good. As they go up, the price goes up, but it's still a discounted rate. So if I was done, you see here it says review and pay. You click on that, and then it takes the money from whatever your PayPal is connected to. And then you also have, for your taxes, all your shipping is in here. So you can just go in here and grab your shipping information. To be honest with you, I don't remember where that would be. I would probably have to go to reports. Let me see if I can figure it out with you guys. Maybe financial summary. No, I'm not going to go too crazy because I'll be sitting here forever trying to figure it out. But anyway, that is what I wanted to show you. And the cool thing about this as well is when you make this a business account, mine says on all the things that I send to people, the shipping label, there's a shipping label that prints out. Okay, so you have to have a printer to be able to do this. But the shipping label that you print out, let me see if I can grab you one or show you one. Hopefully. Purchase labels. Let's go here. Okay, here we go. So let me look at this label. Oh, okay. I didn't know there was a limit. Okay, cool. Now I know something new. Anyway, I can't show you a label, but I can show you that I sent her 5 sets, and it was $3.18. So that's pretty good. Oh, and these ones actually as well. I sent 10 sets and 10 sets. Interesting. So it was only $3.18 for all of them. But anyway, so what else did I want to tell you? Oh, my business account, the business name that I have in PayPal is Color Street by Heather Engelsman. So when people are getting their mail, their shipping label says Color Street by Heather Engelsman on it. I just think it's more of a professional way to do it. So I really like that they let you just put your name in there, your business name in there. Okay, that is all. I will talk to you all soon. Goodbye.